Group 1 Automotive NYSE GPI was upgraded by research analysts at Buckingham Research from a neutral rating to a buy rating in a note issued to investors on Friday, January 5. The brokerage currently has a $89 price objective on the stock. Buckingham Research's price objective would suggest a potential upside of 7.92% from the stock's current price. A number of other brokerages have also recently commented on GPI. Wells Fargo co-upped their price target on Group 1 Automotive from $65 to $85 and gave the company a market perform rating in a research report on Monday, October 30. KeyCorp reiterated a hold rating on shares of Group 1 Automotive in a research note on Wednesday, October 4. Berenberg Bank started coverage on Group 1 Automotive in a research note on Wednesday, October 4. They set a hold rating and a $77 price objective on the stock. Stephens restated an equal weight rating and issued a $87 target price, up from $83 on shares of Group 1 Automotive in a research note on Wednesday, October 4. Finally, Zacks Investment Research lowered Group 1 Automotive from a hold rating to a sell rating in a research note on Monday, October 2. One research analyst has rated the stock with a sell rating, 7 have issued a hold rating and 2 have assigned a buy rating to the company's stock. The company has a consensus rating of hold and an average target price of $79.50. Shares of Group 1 Automotive GPI traded up $1.87 during trading hours on Friday, hitting $82.47. The company had a trading volume of 152,958 shares, compared to its average volume of 217,587. The stock has a market capitalization of $1,681.24, a P ratio of 13.11, a price-to-earnings growth ratio of 1.41 and a beta of 1.69. The company has a debt-to-equity ratio of 1.28, a quick ratio of 0.27 and a current ratio of 1.05. Group 1 Automotive has a one-year low of $51.62 and a one-year high of $84.47. Group 1 Automotive NYSE GPI last posted its quarterly earnings data on Thursday, October 26. The company reported $2.23 earnings per share for the quarter, topping the Thomson Reuters consensus estimate of $1.76 by 47 cents. Group 1 Automotive had a return on equity of 15.69% and a net margin of 1.20%. The business had revenue of $3.01 billion for the quarter, compared to analysts' expectations of $2.80 billion. During the same quarter in the previous year, the firm earned $1.96 earnings per share. The business's revenue was up 6.7% on a year-over-year basis. Analysts anticipate that Group 1 Automotive will post 7.53 earnings per share for the current year. In other news, CEO L.J. Hesterberg sold 10,640 shares of Group 1 Automotive stock in a transaction dated Friday, December 22. The stock was sold at an average price of $74.44, for a total value of $792,041.60. Following the sale, the chief executive officer now directly owns 165,010 shares of the company's stock, valued at $12,283,344.40. The sale was disclosed in a legal filing with the Securities Exchange Commission, which is available at the SEC website. Also, VP Darrell M. Berman sold 10,000 shares of Group 1 Automotive stock in a transaction dated Friday, October 27. The stock was sold at an average price of $79.74, for a total value of $797,400. The disclosure for this sale can be found here. Insiders sold 195,573 shares of company stock worth $15,210,432 over the last 90 days. Company insiders own 6.08% of the company's stock. A number of hedge funds and other institutional investors have recently modified their holdings of the business. The manufacturer's life insurance company boosted its position in shares of Group 1 Automotive by 19.6% during the second quarter. The manufacturer's life insurance company now owns 1,802,293 shares of the company's stock valued at $114,122,000 after buying an additional 295,967 shares during the period. Davidson Kempner Capital Management LP purchased a new position in shares of Group 1 Automotive during the third quarter valued at approximately $13,115,000. Northern Trust Corp boosted its position in shares of Group 1 Automotive by 25.9% during the second quarter. Northern Trust Corp now owns 765,256 shares of the company's stock valued at $48,456,000 after buying an additional 157,223 shares during the period. Vanguard Group Inc. boosted its position in shares of Group 1 Automotive by 5.7% during the second quarter. Vanguard Group Inc. now owns 2,275,649 shares of the company's stock valued at $144,095,000 after buying an additional 122,130 shares during the period. Finally, Elliott Management Corp boosted its position in shares of Group 1 Automotive by 36.5% during the second quarter. Elliott Management Corp now owns 308,362 shares of the company's stock valued at $19,525,000 after buying an additional 82,500 shares during the period. 97.57% of the stock is currently owned by institutional investors. Trademark violation warning. Group 1 Automotive GPI upgraded by Buckingham Research to buy, was reported by TrueBlue Tribune and is owned by TrueBlue Tribune. If you are viewing this article on another domain, it was illegally copied and republished in violation of international copyright legislation. The correct version of this article can be accessed at https://www.truebluetribune.com. 201801113 Group 1 Automotive EGPI upgraded to buy at buckinghamresearch.html. About Group 1 Automotive. Group 1 Automotive, Inc. is an operator in the automotive retail industry. The company, through its dealerships, sells new and used cars and light trucks, arranges related vehicle financing, sells service and insurance contracts, provides automotive maintenance and repair services, and sells vehicle parts. Receive news ratings for Group 1 Automotive daily. Enter your email address below to receive a concise daily summary of the latest news and analysts' ratings for Group 1 Automotive and related companies with MarketBeat.com's free daily email newsletter.